course. Right. So the class is fixed for this time, Saturday. Saturday, 11:30 to 2:30. Right. I hope all the other students can this time 11:30 to 2:30. If they have any problem, maybe let's be flexible and do some changes a little. Right. So let's fix this one 11:30 to 2:30. Right. Do you have the dictation words? I sent you 2 pages. So that is dictation for Saturday. Agree, shout, afraid, appear, suddenly, litter, throw rubbish, skeleton.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Teacher, Saturday in the bedroom.
Why Nadun? I miss you. Why can't you? Are you going to do that? Ane, please. May New Year celebrate karanne no. Come to the class, you. Yeah, your father can do that. Okay, okay. So
teacher අපිට exam එක තියෙන්නේ new year එකෙන් පස්සේ නේද?
yes, because I am talking, the lot of messages are coming about the exam, right? Because they given us the letter this morning on, so suddenly. එකපාරට අද උදේ ලියුම හම්බුනේ මට ක්ලාස් පටන් ගන්න කියලා නැත්නම් මං ගිය සතියේ සම්පූර්ණ සතියෙම ළමයින්ට මැසේජ් එක දෙනවා next week ක්ලාස් එක පටන් ගන්නවා ළමයි ready වෙලා එන්න කියලා. දැන් මට එක ක්ලාස් එකකටවත් මේ පණිවිඩය දෙන්න බැරි වුණා. Tomorrow we are starting grade 7 but no one knows, so I message you that the grammar test, because this is very important, there is a cut off mark, remember, 70. So that I want to give you a little chance to study, so the test will be after New Year. Right? I have already prepared all your test papers, but I am not going to give you. papers ටික ready කරලා තියෙන්නේ මේ week එකේ මම දෙන්නේ. මොකද එකපාරට ළමයින්ට message එක හම්බුනේ class පටන් ගන්නවා කියලා. ඒ නිසා සමහර ගොඩක් ළමයි පාඩම් කරලා තිබුණා serious නිසා. නමුත් සමහර අය පාඩම් කරන්න පටන් ගත්තා විතරයි. ඒ නිසා මම පොඩි chance එකක් දෙනවා. මොකද අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම cut off mark එක වැඩ කරනවා. below 70 කියන්නේ ඔයාට මට sorry කියන්න වෙනවා. right? ඒ නිසා මම ඔයාට chance එකක් දෙනවා. After New Year we will have the grammar test. right? Let's start.
මට ගිය සතියේ paper එක ගන්න බැරි වුණා. හෙට આવොත් ගන්න පුළුවන්ද teacher එක?
Which autumn test paper? Yes, no problem. I'm here.
Okay, teacher.
Right. Let's start the grammar lesson. Take your grammar book. This one.
Teacher, මට නේතනෝ ඒකයි කියලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද?
What do you mean?
ඒ කියන්නේ teacher දැන් දෙන වාක්‍ය දෙකක් නේතනෝ දාලා එක වාක්‍යයක් කරන්න තියෙනවා.
Today that is our lesson today. That is our lesson today. It's not a revision point. Today our lesson. We did not connect sentences. We just check how is the verb going on.
Okay.
Right? So today we are going to connect sentences. Who is there now? Nadira, are you there?
Yes, teacher. Sorry, මේ පරක් වෙලා ආවට මේ කොරණ ගිහින් ආවේ දැන් ගෙදර ආවේ.
Okay, anyway. Right, good. That's good. So I think Tunu and Sadeep, yes, there are still few missing, but we have to do the lesson, right? Maybe I will ask them to watch the recording. We have to do this important grammar lesson. Right. So take your grammar book. Joining sentences with either or. Before that, don't we have to mark? Yeah. Let's quickly mark that. So the activity in the pupils book, it's a very simple one for you now. Activity 11. Quickly take the red pen and put right marks. Activity 11. Complete the sentences with either or, neither, no. Either or means one person will do. There is a choice. Neither no means no one is going to do that. Kavurut karanne. Right. Number 1. My mother, my sister will prepare the lunch. One of them has to go to the bank. So one of them is going to the bank. Then the other one can cook. Number 1. Either or. Either my mother or my sister will prepare lunch. One of them has to go to the bank. Number 2. Rashi, knows how to play chess. You will have to teach them. You have to teach them. That means both of them do not know how to play this game. So, neither Rashi nor Amin. Neither no. Number 3. We have classes in the morning, in the afternoon. Which is easier for you? Which is easier for you? What a lazy koikada kiyala hane. That means you can choose. Right? That means you can choose. What a thoraganna puluwang morning, the afternoon. So it is either or. We can have classes either in the morning or in the afternoon, which is easier for you. Next one. Mr. Jinadasa drinks tea, coffee. He prefers water. He likes water. So it's not tea, it's not coffee. Not. So neither, no. Mr. Jinadasa drinks neither tea nor coffee. He prefers water. What are you doing this evening? I haven't decided yet. Decide karala naha taama. So there is a choice. Tora ganna puluwan. I will either read a novel or watch a film. Tama decide karala ne. We have a choice. Either read a novel or watch a film. Right. So let's move on. Go to the grammar book and write the topic joining sentences. So this is our time. Our time is 11:30 to 30, right?
Teacher, exam එක තියනවද මේ සතියේ?
No. The exam, grammar exam this week, no, because the message came suddenly. This morning I got the permission letter. So this week, no, none of the classes. කිසිම class එකකට මේ week එකේ දෙහෙට ඉඳලා ඔක්කොම class පටන් ගන්න පුළුවන් අපිට. එකම class එකකටවත් grammar test එක තියන්නේ. Because it is very important. There is a cut-off mark 70. That means I will surely say bye-bye if you have less than 70 marks. So I will give you a chance to study some more because this test is really important. I will give you a chance. The grammar test will be held after the new year, right? You will get 1 week vacation for the new year. Then after that, we will do that. Right. So all the classes, they will have the test paper after the new year. This week, no. Joining sentences. Write the topic.
Teacher, grammar book එකේ
Yes, grammar book.
මොන හරි කළාද?
Right. We know now either or, neither, no. All these are very simple. The only thing either or subject එකට එනවා නම් අපි verb එක singular plural problem එකක් වෙන අවස්ථාවකදී ඒ ගැන ගලපලා දානවා. එහෙම වෙන්න නැති අවස්ථාවකදී අපිට කිසිම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Right? But how to join? It's just the story. Right? There is not a rule. ළමයි either or මෙන්න මෙතෙන්ට ගන්න කියලා rule එකක් නැහැ. It can be different from sentence to sentence. What are the choices? Right? අපි either or ගන්න choice එක තියෙන තැනට. Saturday, Sunday. So either Saturday or Sunday. Father, mother. Either father or mother. Rice, noodles. Either rice or noodles. So ඔයාගේ choice එක subject එකේ වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්, object එකේ වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. Sentence දෙකක් අපි join කරද්දි repeat කරන්නේ. That is number 1. No repeating. Either or කියන එක ගන්නේ choice එක තියෙන තැනට. Come to the tute number 1. Farmers will come to the tute number 1. Farmers will grow finger millet. They will grow mung beans. Finger millet means kurakkang. Mung beans mung atta. So what are the choices the farmers have? They will grow finger millet or they will grow mung beans. The choice is finger millet, mung beans. එහෙනම් අපි either or දාන්න ඕනේ choice එකට. Right? Number 1 you can see. Don't write the question. Farmers will grow. Farmers will grow. Now the first sentence again මෙතන තියෙන්නේ finger millet. That is the choice. Choice එක පටන් ගන්න එතනට එන අපි ඊට කලින් තමයි either දාන්නේ. Farmers will grow either finger millet or. Now we don't repeat the second sentence. They will grow. No repeating. Farmers will grow either finger millet or mung beans. Right? ඔයාගේ choice එකට තමයි either or දාන්න. And we do not repeat. දෙවනි sentence එකේ repeat වෙන කොටස් අපි repeat කරන්න යන්නේ. So farmers will grow either finger millet or mung beans. Number 2. No writing first, just listen. You can borrow books. You can read here. In a library, there is a section you can borrow books. And there are some other books you cannot borrow them home. You should read them in the library. So what are the choices? What borrow කරන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් මෙතන ඉඳගෙන read කරන්න පුළුවන්. So පුළුවන් කියන එක මේ දෙකඩම පොදුයි. Right? එක choice එකක් නෙමෙයි. ඔයාගේ choice එක borrow books and read here. Then we can write you can. ඔයාගේ choice එක borrow books. Either. You can either borrow books or read here. ඔයාගේ choice දෙක තමයි borrow books, read here. You can කියන එක මේ දෙකඩම පොදුයි. ඔයාට පුළුවන් පොත් borrow කරන්න, එහෙම නැත්නම් මෙතන ඉඳලා read කරන්න. You can either borrow books or read here. Number 3. Don't write yet. I will give you time to write. You can visit Polonnaruwa. Sorry. We can visit Polonnaruwa. We can visit Kandy. So what are the choices? Polonnaruwa, Kandy. Number 5. Sorry, 4. The principal will sign the documents. The vice principal will sign the documents. So there are 2 people. One of them can sign. එදෙනගෙන් එක්කෙනෙක්ට sign කරන්න පුළුවන්. There is a choice. The principal, the vice principal. Number 5. I am going to refer an encyclopedia. Encyclopedia means Vishwakoshaya. I am going to browse the internet. එක්කමට encyclopedia බලන්න පුළුවන් නැත්නම් internet එකෙන් browse කරන්න, internet search කරන්න පුළුවන්. So those are the choices. I am going to. What are the choices? Refer an encyclopedia. Second one, browse the internet. ඔයාගේ choice එක මොකක්ද කියලා තේරුම් ගන්න. Maybe you can underline. එතෙන්ට තමයි අපි either or දාන්නේ. සමහර විට subject එක වෙන්න පුළුවන්, සමහර විට object එක වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Number 6. Mother will make a fruit salad. She will make a pickle. Pickle means acharua. So mother has two choices, fruit salad, pickle. She wants to decorate the hall with colorful balloons. She wants to decorate the hall with fresh flowers. She has two choices, maybe colorful balloons or maybe fresh flowers. That is the choice. Oh. The factory gives money. The factory provides accommodation. සමහර වෙලාවට ෆැක්ටරි වලින් දුර ඈත වැඩ කරන ළමයින්ට සල්ලි දෙනවා ළඟපාත බෝඩින් වලට බෝඩ් වෙන්න කියලා. සමහර වෙලාවට ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ හොස්ටල්ස් වල accommodation නවාතැන් පහසුකම් දෙනවා. So the workers have two choices. Number 1 gives money. Number 2 provides accommodation. නවාතැන් පහසුකම් සපයන. Number 9, you may write the project. You may take a printout. When in your A-level classes or universities, you will have a lot of projects to do. Sometimes they say you can write this handwriting. Sometimes they say, no, maybe printouts. So maybe you can take anything. You can write or maybe you can take a printout. So you have two choices. Number 1, write the project. Number 2, take a printout. Number 10, father will attend to the parents' meeting. Mother will attend to the parents' meeting. We have two choices, ask mother or ask father. We are going to receive our textbooks on Thursday. We are going to receive our textbooks on Friday. Maybe Thursday, maybe Friday. Those are the choices. You may be promoted as the manager. You may be promoted as the assistant manager. Manager, assistant manager. Right? So remember, you don't have to repeat the same thing. Subject එකේ වෙන්න පුළුවන්, object එකේ වෙන්න පුළුවන්. We are not repeating. අපි repeat කරන්නේ නැහැ. Okay. So these are your two examples. Start writing. I will give you some time to try yourselves. මම දැන් ඔයාලට choices පැහැදිලි කරා. Try කරන්න බලන්න තනියම 1 or 2 sentence join. Hello. Okay. ඉක්මනට කියන්න. Oh. හෙට චතුම්ට 4:07. නෑ ලබන සඳුදා නිවාඩු 19 මෙහි පටන් ගන්නවා. ඔව් තාම මේ දැම්මේ නෑ මං ක්ලාස් එකක ඉන්නේ මේ හෙට දාන්න. හරි. නෑ මේ සතිය විභාග නෑ කාටවත්. හරි. Right. Sorry. Are you writing? Did you start writing?
Yes, teacher.
Good, good. Right, let's mark. Number 3, Polonnaruwa candy. Right, our choices are Polonnaruwa and candy. We can visit either. We can visit either Polonnaruwa or candy.
Teacher ළමයින්ගෙන් උත්තර අහන්නකෝ.
Okay, no problem. ළමයින්ගෙන් උත්තර අහන එක මම online class ටික දවසක් ගිහලා නැවතුනේ.
Still writing.
Oh, sorry, someone is still writing. Let's give her a little time. Sorry. ළමයින්ගෙන් උත්තර අහන එක මම ටික කාලයක් මුලින් මම ඔය හැමෝගෙන්ම අහනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ළමයි නෑ. Maybe signal problem or maybe did not do the work. Don't know what happened. මම ළමයාගේ නම කියලා බලාගෙන ඉන්න ළමයා නෑ. Then I stop. ගොඩක් නිතර කතා කරන ළමයින්ගෙන් මම උත්තර අහගන්නවා ප්‍රශ්න අහනවා. Yes, I know Nadira, you are always there. හැම ක්ලාස් එකේම මේ නදීරා දිල්මි ඒ වගේ නිතර ආන්සර් කරන ළමයි ඉන්නවා. ඒගොල්ලොත් එක්ක මම ක්ලාස් එක කරගෙන යනවා. සමහර ළමයි දැන් normally සමහර ළමයි ක්ලාස් එකේදී ගොඩක් silent තමන්ගේ වැඩ කර පාඩුවේ කරන ළමයි ඉන්නවනේ. ඉතින් එක එක විදිහේ ළමයි ඉන්නවා. ඉතින් online ක්ලාස් එකේදී අර හැමතිස්සෙම මාත් එක්ක කියවි වැඩ කරන ළමයිත් එක්ක online කරගෙන යනවා. අනිත් ළමයි ගොඩක් වැඩ කරලා තියෙනවා. කීප දෙනෙක් තමයි වැඩ කරලා නැහැ. ගොඩක්ම ළමයිට සිග්නල් ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා. මම මෙහෙ නම කියලා කෑ ගැවුවට ළමයාට ඒක ඇහිලා නැහැ. ළමයි ඉන්නවා වගේ තිබුණාට පැහැදිලිව ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ. කැඩි voice is breaking. ඒ නිසා මේ ඉතින් ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා. Anyway, I hope this is the last one, right? Samadhi, please raise hand if you are finished writing. Then Samadhi will disconnect වෙලා ඒ පොඩ්ඩට.
නෑ ටීචර් සමාධි ඉන්නවා.
නෑ මේ දැන් කනෙක්ට් උනේ ආව ඩිස්කනෙක්ට් වුණා මේ විනාඩියකට සිග්නල් ලොස් එකක් තිබුණා. නෝ සමාධි? anyway හැම ක්ලාස් එකකම ඉන්න බෝඩ් එකේ අකුරක් ලියනකොට අකුරක් වැරදුනොත් ටක් ගාලා කතා කරලා කියන ළමයි and asking lot of questions, especially in my grade 10 class there is a boy lot of ඒ ළමයා මන් දන්නේ පාඩම් එක මම කරන්න යන පාඩම නෙමෙයි අන්තිමට කරන්නේ පාඩම් 10ක් විතර එකතු වෙනවා හරියට ප්‍රශ්න අහනවා very good, it's all about grammar. එනිසා ඒ වගේ අර ළමයි කීප දෙනෙක් එක්ක තමයි ඔන්ලයින් වැඩේ කරගෙන ගියා. අපි හිතමු මේ වැඩේ ඉවරයි කියලා එතනින්ම right. Maybe you all can read the sentences about neither nor and get an idea what are the choices in neither nor.
ටීචර් neither no කියන්නේ දෙකම නෑ කියන එක නේද?
Of course, yes. Who is still writing? Samadhi, are you ready? I can't hear you, Samadhi. Right. Maybe let's check. So, number 4. The principal will sign the documents. The vice principal will sign the documents. Geet, can you read number 4, Geet?
Either the principal or the vice principal will sign the documents.
Thank you. Very good. I think everyone heard it. It is very clear.
Teacher,
Either the
අපිට the document will sign either principal or vice principal.
read again.
The document will sign by either principal or vice principal.
That means you have to write it in passive. Your passive verb is not correct. The documents will be signed. The documents will be signed either the documents will be signed by either the principal or the vice principal. Actually, Hesanga, you don't have to go to that far. Just follow this order. You don't have to change the sentence into passive. Just
Teacher, මට ඒක මුලින් මතක් වුණේ නැහැ.
right. So if you prefer that, no problem. Just correct your verb, passive participle, right? Will be signed. Either or එක ඔයාලට object එකටම ගෙනියන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. ඒක subject එකේ වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. It is very good. Either the principal or the vice principal will sign the documents. Right. Number 5. Buani.
I am going to either refer an encyclopedia or browse the internet.
Very good. To කියන එකට පස්සේ ඔයා either පටන් ගන්න. මොකද to කියන එක දෙකටම පොදුයි. I am going to either refer an encyclopedia or browse the internet. Either දෙකම හරි. I am going to either refer an encyclopedia or browse the internet. Buani, very good. Yes, you are correct. Number 6. Who is there? Shakindi.
Either we can visit Polonnaruwa or Kandy.
Shakindi, we are in number 6.
Teacher signal out ekay.
That's why. That's why. Yes. Yes. Okay. So can you read number 6 now?
Teacher, can I say the answer?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Mother will make either a fruit salad or
Either mother. Teacher
Kawan teacher answers here.
That's why. Dulaksha, we are in number 6. Right, we are in number 6. Hesanga is correct, but Shakindi, I think you have to correct that. Your answer is not correct. Either mother no. Mother කියන්නේ choice එකක් නෙමෙයි. ඔයාගේ choice එක fruit salad or pickle. Right? ඔයාට choices තියෙන්නේ fruit salad එහෙම නැත්නම් pickle. So number 6, mother will make either a fruit salad or a pickle. Mother will make either a fruit salad or a pickle. Right, Dilmi, number 7.
She wants to decorate the hall with either colorful balloons or fresh flowers.
Very good. either එක ගේන්න ඕනේ with එකට පස්සේ with වෙනකම්ම පොදු. අපේ choice එක colorful balloons, fresh flowers. Right? So the place is correct. She wants to decorate the hall with either colorful balloons or fresh flowers. Very good. Next one, Buani read. Nadun, did you write the answer number 8?
Teacher මංගාව ටීචර් පේපර් එක නෑනේ ඒකේ.
Nadun, දැන් මං group එකට එව්වා ඒක හම්බුණාද?
නෑ ටීචර් ඒක තමයි නැත්තේ.
group එකට එව්වා දැන් ඒකෙන් කළාද ඔයා?
ටීචර් එක බොඳයිනේ.
අයියෝ.
ගැස්සිලා ටීචර් ඉදලා තියෙන්නේ.
රීඩ් කරන්න අමාරුද? අනේ ප්ලීස් මේ අද ලෙසන් එක මම ගොඩක් ස්පීඩ් එකේ කරන්න බලාගෙන ආවේ. එදත් අපිට සිග්නල් පොඩ්ඩක් අවුල් නිසා. Can someone please send the question number this question number 6 and 7 to the group? Sorry. One of you maybe. Right. So next one, let's go for Geet again. Number 8, Geet.
ටීචර් මං කියන්නද?
Yes, next sir, thank you. Geet, wait.
You made the right
Number
the
8.
project.
Number 8. Next sir, number 8.
ටීචර්
Yes,
may I
Nadira.
can tell that. The factory either gives money or provide accommodation.
Yes, the factory either gives money or provides accommodation. The factory is the common part for the quarter. So the factory. The factory either gives money or provides accommodation. Next are number 9.
You may either write the project or take print out.
Thank you. You may either write the project or take a printout. Very good. Number 10, Geet.
Either father or mother will attend to the parents' meeting.
Yes, either father or mother will attend to the parents' meeting. Number 11, Dulaksha.
Teacher හරියට ටික් එකක් දාගන්න.
Of course, tick in red. Dulaksha, number 11.
We don't celebrate Deepavali.
Ane Dulaksha, number 11. Question number 6, 11. Either or. Buani, number 11.
Teacher කොයිකද?
Question number 6, Dulaksha, either or
We
tutor.
are going to receive our textbooks either on Thursday or Friday.
Yes, we are going to receive our textbooks either on Thursday or on Friday. On is a preposition. Right? අපි දිනයක් දාද්දී on එක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම දාන්න ඕන. ඒ නිසා either or එකට කලින් ගේන්න බෑ. Either on Thursday or on Friday. Right? On කියන එක add කරන්න බෑ. Either on Thursday or on Friday. Right. Deal me number 12.
You may be promoted as the either manager or assistant manager.
Yes, very good. You may be promoted as the either manager or assistant manager. Or the කියන එක මෙහා පැත්තට ගේන්නත් පුළුවන්. You may be promoted as either the manager or the assistant manager. The manager, the assistant manager කියන එක මං හිතන්නේ වඩා නිවැරදි. Right? The manager, the assistant manager. Right. So now we are going to do neither. No, this is a little difficult, right? Because we have to think about the negative form. So before that, I am going to disconnect you for the next lesson. Then join again. I got another paper, another revision paper for the same topic. Conjunctions, right? Make a ටිකක් පස්සේ පාඩමෙන් ටිකක් පස්සේ කරන්න මං හදපු revision paper එකක් තියෙනවා conjunctions වල, but this Saturday in the class I will do that. දැන් මේ paper එකම නැවත ඔයාට කරන එක තේරුම් ගන්න අද class එකට join වෙන ළමයි පාඩම තරමක් දුරට තේරුම් ගන්නවනේ. ඒ නිසා මම revision paper එක Saturday class එකට ready කරලා තියන්නම්. එදාට අපි තවත් සාකච්ඡා කරමු, right? Today some of you have signal problems, no paper, all that. So අපි revision paper එක Saturday class එකේදී කරමු මේ lesson එකම. Go to the grammar book, join sentences neither nor. This one, copy the question. Copy the question. Copyright the question. Sri Lanka doesn't have volcanoes. It doesn't have frequent earthquakes. So me dekama nahe means neither no. Dekama nahe neither no. Right. So mona dekada natte volcano gini kandu frequent earthquakes nitara siduwana bhumikampa. Right? So that is where we have to use neither no. Volcanoes, frequent earthquakes. But remember, in neither no, because neither no means negative, not neither. Sentence ekedi neither no kiyane me negative එක not කියන එක තියනවා neither no වල. නමුත් මේකේ අපි sentence එක මොන tense එකෙන්ද කියන එක පැහැදිලි කරන්න ඕන. දැන් not කියන එක අපි ගන්නවා. not කියන්නේ neither no එකෙන්. නමුත් ඔයාගේ verb එක ඔයා අලුතෙන් හදන join කරන ඔයාගේ new sentence එකේ verb එකෙන් පැහැදිලි කරන්න ඕනේ මේ දීලා තියෙන sentence දෙක මොන tense එකෙන්ද කියලා. Right? Let's see example here. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. This is the subject. Now we have to take the verb. දැන් අපි neither no ගන්න මෙතෙන්ට. Neither volcanoes no frequent earthquakes. Neither volcanoes no frequent earthquakes. දැන් මං කිව්වා neither එක ඇතුලේ not එක තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් මේ doesn't have කියන verb එක ඔයා doesn't have මේක simple present tense. Right? Doesn't have කියන්නේ simple present tense. නම් මේ sentence එකේ Sri Lanka have කියන verb එකෙන් කොහොමද පෙන්වන්නේ මෙයා simple present tense කියලා. Simple present tense singular. Sri Lanka is singular. So have ගේ singular form එක has. Yes. Good. ඔයා answer එක දුන්න කියන්නේ ආට පාඩම තේරුණා. මෙතෙන්ට මට Sri Lanka have ගන්න බෑ. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම doesn't කියන එක ගන්න බෑ. neither කියන්නේ doesn't. neither එක ඇතුලේ negative එක තියෙනවා. ඒ නිසා doesn't එක අයින් වෙනවා. දැන් මට ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ have. Sri Lanka have කියන්න බෑ. Sri Lanka is singular. So Sri Lanka has neither volcanoes. Sri Lanka has neither volcanoes. It doesn't have කියන එක මෙතන repeat කරලා තියෙන්නේ. අපි repeat කරන්න යන්නේ. It doesn't have කියන එකමයි Sri Lanka has කියන්නේ. Neither. So no frequent earthquakes. Right? That is how we do it. ඔයාගේ verb එක පැහැදිලි කරන්න ඕනේ tense එක මොකක්ද කියලා. Sri Lanka has. This is simple present tense. මේක past tense වුණා නම් මේ verb එක අපි past tense එකෙන් තියන්න ඕනේ. Not එක neither එක ඇතුලේ තියනවා. Neither means neither. So the answer is Sri Lanka has neither volcanoes nor frequent earthquakes. Copyright the answer number 1. Yes.
doesn't කියන එක plural විදිහට දෙන්න. එතකොට have වැටෙද්දි
Of course, plural. See, children have. Children have. Child has. So we know have is plural, has is singular, and remember මේ දෙන්නගේ original verb එක තමයි have කියන්නේ. අපි plural එකට පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ original verb එකනේ. Children play, we learn, they study, farmers grow. Plural noun එකත් එක්ක තමයි හැමතිස්සෙම original verb එක පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ. එහෙනම් මෙතන අපි plural එකත් එක්ක පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ have. එහෙනම් have has දෙන්නගෙන් original verb එක අවශ්‍ය වුණොත් ඔයාට අපි ගන්න original verb එක have. Singular form එක තමයි has කියන්නේ. Right. Copyright answer number 1. Then write question number 2. නයිද නොයක අපි questions කීපයක් ලියාගෙන යමු copywriting කරගෙන යමු මේක හරියටම ඔයාලට set වෙනකන් right number 2 copyright the question yes Nadun, what is your question?
No, teacher, our children have ki child have ekal clear no digela
No. Ekali unknown. Hello. Oh. නැහැ. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ අපිට එකපාරටනේ permission හම්බුනේ ළමයින්ට සතියක්වත් කලින් කියන්න බැරි වුණා හරියටම ටෙස්ට් එක තියෙනවයි කියලා. ඒ නිසා මේ සතියේ කාටවත් ටෙස්ට් නැහැ. ඔව් සාමාන්‍ය පන්තියේ. හරි. 4 වසර 5 ඉඳන් 7:00 වෙනකන්. හරි.
පහේ ඉඳන් 8:00 වෙනකන්ද ටීචර්
grade 4 yes නදීරගේ නංගිගේ පන්ති අමායාගේ පේපර් එක නෑ පළවෙනි සතියේ කාටවත් papers තියන්නේ නෑ
ටීචර් dictation දෙනවද එදාට
dictation සාමාන්‍ය විදිහට තියෙනවා ඒක ඒගොල්ලෝ online උත් පාඩම් කරලා ඉන්නවනේ
හරි
Farmers didn't grow pumpkin, they didn't grow groundnuts. Groundnuts means ratakaju.
peanut
Yeah, similar. Peanuts, ratakaju. Okay, so this one, we know that it is from past tense. So we have to show past tense in our verb. දැන් මෙතනදී ඔයාලට පැහැදිලි වෙයි හරියට මේ tense එක පෙන්නනවා කියන්නේ මොකක්ද. Anyway, first we have to decide what is our choice. neither no එක දාන්නේ මොකක්ද? Pumpkin, groundnuts. දෙකම වවන්නේ. So neither pumpkin nor groundnuts. ඒ part එක හරි. Then what is the verb? Number 2. I am writing here. Farmers. Grow. මේ grow කියන verb එක මට පෙන්වන්න ඕනේ past tense කියලා. How to show? කොහොමද පෙන්වන්නේ?
farmers were grow
Farmers okay. Don't worry.
farmers were grown neither pumpkin or groundnut.
No. Remember grown test එක තිබුණා නම් grammar test එක 70 cut off mark එක මට 50 වලටත් අඩු කරන්න වෙයි. මේගොල්ලන්ගේ class එකේ තියාගන්න. Hesanga, what do you think? How to show past tense?
did
ටීචර් මට බෝඩ් එක පේන්නේ නැහැ.
Oh, sorry. It's number 2.
teacher I can't see
Oh, you are having signal problems. Your voice is breaking. Farmers.
Didn't නේද ටීචර්?
No. It's okay. You all are still catching the lesson. Not to worry.
Wasn't.
Let's take time. not to worry. Didn't කියන එක අපි neither එකට දානවා. Neither කියන්නේ not එක. Right? Not කියන එක තියෙනවා. But this is past tense, simple past tense. මේ grow කියන verb එක past tense කරලා පෙන්නන්නේ කොහොමද? Grew.
එකේ past tense එක ලියන්න.
Yes, it's grew. Farmers grew. Right? අපි participle එකවත් did වත් කිසිම දෙයක් දාන්නේ මේ දීලා තියෙන verb එකේ past tense එක දාන්න.
එතකොට ඔතන did තිබ්බ නැත්නම් එහෙම grow එක grow වෙනව නේද?
මොකද්ද?
ඔතන did not නැතුව මේ තිබ්බොත් එහෙම grow එක grow වෙනව නේද?
Did මෙතන did not නැති වුණොත් නදීර මේක neither no question එකක් නෙමෙයි. neither no question එකේදී අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම not තියෙන්න ඕනේ.
normal sentence එක නේද?
either or එහෙමනම්.
Okay teacher.
Right. So farmers grew. Neither.
Teacher,
Yeah.
teacher number 2 එක මම teacher නිදනවා හදන්න.
Number 2 here. Yes. මේ මෙතන answer එක හදන්නෙම. The question is here.
Okay teacher.
Right. Farmers grew neither pumpkin.
The pumpkin nor groundnuts.
Yes. A part එක ඔයාලට sure. Pumpkin no groundnuts. Right. දැන් ඔයා මේක නැවත බලාගෙන යද්දී ප්‍රශ්නයක් ආවොත් මේ grew කියන වචනේ කොහෙන්ද ආවේ? Right? You just have to think this way. Neither කියන්නේ not. Neither කියන්නේ not. එතන not එක තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් did grow තමයි අපිට ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Did grow කියන්නේ grow ගේ past tense එක. What is the past tense of grow? Grew. Write the question number 3. Ruvin doesn't eat meat.
Teacher,
Yeah.
Teacher Ravin නේද තියෙන්නේ?
Pravind. Ah, yes. Thank you. Praveen. Praveen doesn't eat meat.
teacher.
Eat meat. He doesn't eat fish. He doesn't eat fish. Copy the question. And think about the neither no part.
Third question, the teacher.
Third, yes. Pumpkin can spelling liwa haridama. PUMP. Nadun, thank you.
Ravin eat neither meat nor meat nor fish.
Can you read louder? Ravin
Eat neither meat nor fish. Ek person.
yeah, anyone, Samadhi or anyone. Yes, Ravin
Eat neither meat nor fish. Neither meat
fish.
nor fish. Present tense.
present tense. Yes. Did you show this present tense?
Teacher neither meat nor fish.
Oh yeah. Sorry. Neither meat nor fish. Present tense කියලා මොකද කියනවා ඇහුණා මට. දැන් මෙයා present tense කියලා පෙන්නනවාද?
ඔව්නේ.
පෙන්නලා
eat පෙන්නුවනේ eat එක past tense වෙනවා නම් ate වෙන්න එපා.
හා
ඒ හින්දා present tense කියලා පෙන්නන්නේ eat ම දැම්මා. doesn't එක present tense කියලා දැක්ක හින්දා තමයි eat දැම්මා.
someone else
I think
Miss eats වෙන්න ඕනනේ. Pravin singular.
who is that
teacher
Samadhi miss.
yes that's why Samadhi thank you eats වෙන්න ඕනේ
I
of
am
course because Ravin is singular simple present and singular yes here we show this is simple present tense මේ s එකෙන් අපි පෙන්නනවා මෙයා simple present tense like here boys තිබුණා නම් this is plural එහෙනම් අපි මේක eat කියලා දානවා දැන් මෙතන පෙන්නනවා මෙයා simple present tense කියලා because with the plural subject we go the original verb but in this question we have singular subject then we add verb s right remember api simple present tense කියලා පෙන්නන්නේ කොහොමද plural subject එකක් නම් original verb එක දාලා තියන්න singular subject එකක් නම් verb එකට s add කරලා තියන්න very good you all are coming to the track very good number 4 copy the example Mars Angaharu doesn't have oxygen.
ටීචර් කීය වෙනකන් ක්ලාස් එක තියෙනවද?
Can we do until 8:30? Can we do?
can teacher teacher කීයටද end කරනවා කිව්වේ අහුන්නේ
8:30. 8 o'clock. Hesanga, do you have anything? Actually, I was thinking to do until 9 o'clock, but
teacher අක්කට 8:45ට chemistry class එක.
okay, no problem. Then 8:30.
උලක් නෑ teacher.
Right. Hesanga say it's until 8 o'clock. I don't know what is if she has got anything. Right. So this one, Samadhi, your answer is correct. Mars doesn't have oxygen. It doesn't have living beings. It doesn't have living beings.
teacher අපි මාස එක ගන්න මේ singular එකක් විදිහට
Of course, it is a one planet. Mars is one planet. Angaharu ya tani grahayek. So it is singular. So neither no part is here. Oxygen, neither oxygen nor living beings. Mars. What is the verb?
Mars has neither oxygen nor living beings. Neither oxygen nor
Living beings. Very good.
living
Very
beings.
good. Mars has neither oxygen nor living beings. Mars has neither oxygen nor living beings. Neither oxygen nor living beings. We just have to check the verb. So this is simple present tense. Doesn't can simple present tense. Mars singular. So has. Okay. You can continue if you get the idea correctly. Then you can speed up. You can go ahead. ඔයාට පාඩම තේරුණා නම් question ලියන්න නැතුව ඉස්සරහට යන්න. I will come slowly. Right? මං හිමින් සැරේ එන්න ඔයා ලියාගෙන යන්න. ඒ අතරේ answer එක ඇහුනම red එකෙන් right එකක් දාගන්න. Number 5. I don't learn French. I don't learn Japanese. Dilmi,
Yes, teacher.
can you help me here?
I
I
learned
learn neither French
learned French. I learned neither French
Japanese.
or Japanese.
French?
French, not Japanese.
Yes, French, no Japanese. Right, very good. Is your verb correct? Is your verb correct?
Mm, mm, mm.
Teacher learned නෙමේද?
Learned, ed.
Yes.
Why do you say it's ed?
No. No, teacher, this verb is correct.
This verb is correct, yes. Because this is simple present tense. So I
When
am
teacher, I in
first person plural form. So I plural, right? It's first person plural. Then for the plural, we take the original verb. It's not past tense. ed දාන්නේ අපි past tense
Present.
එකනේ. Right. Number 6. My father doesn't smoke. He doesn't take alcohol. He doesn't take alcohol. You know alcohol, right? You know what is alcohol, right?
මත්ද්‍රව්‍ය.
Dravya නෙමෙයි, pen. It's liquid form, right? Okay, so my father
My father neither smoke nor alcohol.
My father neither smoke no
No
alcohol.
alcohol.
Yes. අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම neither no එක දාගෙන හදාගෙන යමු. Then we can check the verb. My father neither smoke nor take alcohol. Now check if your verb is correct or wrong.
ඒක දැන් present tense එකක් නා නෙමෙයි.
Not take alcohol.
Took alcohol.
Took Nadira.
නෑ
The simple present tense එක කියලාත් හිතුවා. Samadhi, your answers are correct.
My father neither smoke nor takes alcohol.
Yes, yes. Smokes. Smokes. Simple present tense. Verb S. Takes. My father singular. Right? So we add S to all the verbs. My father neither smokes nor takes alcohol. Correct. Then I go to number 7. Sri Lanka isn't too hot. It isn't too cold.
Sri Lanka is neither too hot nor too cold.
Yes, that is better. Too hot, too cold. මෙතන too කියන එක common word එකක් විදිහට ගන්න එපා. Neither too hot nor too cold.
කියන්නේ
Right?
වැඩි.
Yes, your answer is correct. Sri Lanka is neither too hot. මේ
Sri
too එක-
Lanka neither too hot nor too cold.
ශ්‍රී ලංකා is දාලා නැහැ. ඒ sentence එකේ is කියුනේ නැහැ. Sri Lanka is neither too hot nor too cold. මෙතන too එක ඔයාට common word එකක් විදියට neither එකට කලින් Sri Lanka is too neither. No, it is wrong. Too hot, too cold. Sri Lanka is
But for instance, Sri Lanka is very hot.
not very hot. If you have heard about the news in India, there are people dying because of this hot weather. In Sri Lanka, that thing never happens, right? Especially in
For
Africa.
instance, හිතන්නේ ලංකාව ගොඩක් රස්නේ කියලා.
Yes, but it's not.
ගොඩාක් රස්නේ කියලා හිතන් ඉන්නේ. මගේ යාළුවෝ
Seventh
දෙතුන්.
answer. Samadhi, I did not have the seventh answer in your picture. Yes. Now only I see. Sri Lanka is, yes. I only saw the numbers. This my father, neither that one. Right. So Sri Lanka is actually not a hot country, right? It's the very tropical climate. It's very gentle. It's not very hot. It's not very cold. Just the right temperature. Number 8. This shop doesn't sell electronic equipment. I think now you can do this. This shop sell.
This
Neither
this shop
electronic
sells neither electronic
equipment.
equipment nor fast foods.
Right. Neither no එක දාලා අපි sentence එක join කළා. Now let's check the verb.
The shop sells.
Yes. Sells.
This shop sells
neither electronic equipment. DJ එක මේ අර equipment එක පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න පුළුවන්.
Equipment, electronic equipments. Equipments means upakarana. Electronic equipments are rice cooker, refrigerator, fan, oven, right? All those are electronic equipments. Upakarana. Plastic goods, plastic badu. Okay. Number 9, Sadeep, can you give me the answer number 9? Very silent today. You can see that there is a star, so it is a little different from 1 to 8. Because 1 to 8 we had neither nor in the object. But this is different. Number 9 is different. Sadeep, can you try? Maybe you just write first, then read me the answer. I can wait. Number 9. Others, please be silent. Sadeep, number 9. Badada class आइए. නෑ මේ sorry මලීෂාගේ තාත්තා නේද? හෙට 4 කමන්නේ දැන් හෙට ක්ලාස් එකේදී මට දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඔව්. නෑ. නෑ නෑ එහෙම අවශ්‍ය නෑ ක්ලාස් එකේදී දෙන්න පුළුවන්. හරි හරි.
ටීචර් අපේ මලීෂාද?
So no grade 7 Malisha. I got few Malishas. අපේ Malisha class එකේ නෑ අද. Sadeep, yes, are you ready?
ටීචර් එයා
The
දන්නේ
principal has
වෙරි වෙන්නේ නැත්තේ. සෝරි ඔයා කියන්න.
the principal has practiced neither
No. Sadeep, can you read the question first? මේ දීලා තියෙන sentence දෙක read කරන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලම.
the principal didn't participate to the meeting. The vice principal didn't participate to the meeting.
Yes. Now what are your choices? දැන් ඔයාලට මේ වෙන්නේ නැත්තේ මොන දෙකද? මොන දෙක අතරටද neither nor යන්න ඕනේ?
Principal and vice principal.
Sadeep.
The principal and the vice principal.
Yes. Now join neither nor දාන්න එතෙන්ට.
The principal neither the principal has
No,
neither
don't go to the verb, Sadeep. Verb part එකට යන්න එපා. Neither nor එක දාන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලම.
neither principal nor the vice principal.
Yes. Give me a second. Neither the principal. Neither the principal nor the vice principal. Right. Now in my sentence the subject is ready. මෙතන දැන් මේකට ස්ටාර් එකක් දාලා තියෙන අපි 1 ඉඳලා 8 වෙනකම්ම කරපු sentence වල neither nor යන්නේ object එකට. But in number 9 we have neither nor in the subject. Now my subject is ready. Then I have to go to the verb. Right. Now Sadeep, carefully tell me what is your verb.
Participate.
Give me spelling.
PARTICIPATEED.
Thank you. Right, got it. Thank you. So because this is didn't participate, we have to show that this verb is past tense. Do we show here? Yes, මෙතන අපි පෙන්නනවා මේක past tense කියලා. Now correct. Neither the principal nor the vice principal participated to the meeting. Neither the principal nor the vice principal participated to the meeting. Number 10. Number 10, Buani. Try number 10. Who has a question?
ටීචර් මම දැන් කරපු ප්‍රශ්නය ඔබ එක අනිත් පැත්තට ලියලා ඒක වැරදි නේද?
Yes, it is wrong, Nadira. Yes. Bhuwani, number 10.
Wait, teacher.
Okay, okay, I will.
We celebrate neither Deepavali nor Ramasan.
Yes, correct. No problem. We celebrate neither Deepavali nor Ramasan. Yes. Do not. We don't simple present tense. We plural. We show simple present tense by original verb. Right? අපි V එක original verb එක තියලා මෙයා simple present tense කියලා පෙන්නනවා. Correct. Number 11. Dulaksha, can you try number 11? Dulaksha, can you try number 11? Excuse me, Dulaksha. We have only 1 minute. I am going to disconnect you before that, children. Just give me a second. Dulaksha, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, okay. Number 11.
Neither Taraka didn't buy vehicle. Teacher, neither
Taraka bought.
Neither Taraka buy vehicle. He is buy a land.
Dulaksha, what are your choices? මෙතන තාරකගේ choices මොනවද? තාරක didn't buy a vehicle. He didn't buy a land. අපි හිතමු somewhat he got some money. From this money, he didn't buy a vehicle. And also, he didn't buy a land. So what are his choices?
Vehicle and land.
Yes, vehicle and the land. එයා ගත්තේ නැහැ. මිලදී ගත්තේ නැහැ vehicle එකක් එහෙම නැත්නම් land එකක්. එතකොට එයාගේ choices දෙක එක්ක vehicle එක එක්ක land එක මේ දෙකම ගත්තේ නැහැ. He did some other thing. Right? එහෙනම් අපි neither no එක ගේන්න ඕනේ එයාගේ choices වලට. Neither a land neither a vehicle nor a land. Buy කියන verb එක පොදුයි. එයා මිලදී ගත්තේ නැහැ vehicle එකක් හෝ vehicle එකක් එහෙම නැත්නම් ඊටම මේ දෙකම නැහැ. ඒතර vehicle එකයි land එකයි තමයි යාගේ choices. buy කියන verb එක පොදුයි. He is having signal problem. I'm very sorry about that. Right. So who did not answer? No. No, let him. Shakindi, can you try number 11? Yeah, they are having signal problem. That's why this is very difficult. Anyway, I promise that we will do the grammar, this revision paper on this Saturday, right? So that we can practice this again. Dulaksha, can you try again? Number 11.
Teacher,
Yes, I'm sorry, darling. It's
Oh,
your signal problem, right? Okay. Yes, Buani.
Taraka both neither vehicle nor a land.
That's why it's such a simple sentence. Taraka bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Taraka bought neither a vehicle nor a land. Didn't buy. So didn't past tense. We take the past tense verb. Bought. Right? Bought. Taraka bought neither a vehicle nor a land. Right. Sadeep, try last one again. Sadeep.
She was neither fat nor tall.
Yes. Thank you. She was neither fat nor tall. Yes. She was. She is singular. So was is correct. She was neither fat nor tall. Vediya mahatat ne, vediya usat ne. She was neither fat nor tall. Okay. So maybe I think after the class you will try all these 12 sentences again. Right? Don't look at the grammar book. Join the sentences again in maybe in an old book or in another paper. Try again. වෙනම කොලේක ආපහු මේ 1 ඉඳලා 12 වෙනකන් තනියම හදලා තර්කානුකූලව හිතලා තනියම හදලා neither no එක දාන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලම. අපිට ඒක හොයාගන්න දැනුම තියෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ චෙක් කරලා බලන්න verb එක මේ දීලා තියෙන question එකේ verb එකට match වෙනවද කියලා. tense එක match වෙනවද? එකම tense එකද කියලා. Right? That is how we are going to do this. So වෙනම paper එකක 1 ඉඳලා 12 වෙනකම්ම කරලා බලන්න අද පාඩම තේරුණාද කියන එක. Right? එතකොට ඔයාලට මේක confirm කරගන්න තහවුරු කරගන්න පුළුවන් පාඩම හරිද කියලා. But anyway, we will do the revision paper on Saturday class. Right? මම ready කරලා තියන්න. paper එක තියෙනවා. Yes, what's the question?
Last one එකේ මේ answer කිව්වද මේ signal problem එකක් වුණා.
There, it's on the board. She was neither fat nor tall.
Teacher revision paper එක ගන්න එන්න ඕන නේද?
No. Just come to the class. That's all. Dictation ටික පාඩම් කරගෙන class එකට එන්න එච්චරයි කරන්න තියෙන්නේ.
teacher revision paper එකේ conjunctions වලින්ද
Yes, this lesson. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් අද ක්ලාස් එකේ online class එකේ ළමයි කීප දෙනා ඉන්නේ දැන් අර මිස් වෙච්ච ළමයි recording එක බලයිද නැද්ද දන්නේ නැහැ. නමුත් ඒගොල්ලන්ටත් අපි පාඩම cover කරගන්න ඕනේ. දැන් මේ කොටසම මම ආපහු Saturday class එකේ කරන්න යන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද online class එකේ ළමයි මේක තරමක් දුරට තේරුම් ගත්තනේ. සමහරව 100%ම තේරුම් ගන්න නැති, සමහරට signal problem වගේ කේස් නිසා ටිකක් තේරුම් ගන්න නැති. ඒ නිසා වෙන එක්සාම්පල් ටිකක් අරගෙන අපි මේ පාඩම 100%ම තේරුම් ගන්න බලමු. right? Okay. So maybe that's all for today. I don't want to do another new lesson in the pupils book or whatever. What is this message tomorrow? This old paper. Yes, now the old paper you can come to the class and take any time, but for the new paper, new revision paper, I will give you in the class, right? Okay. So that's all for today, children. Do you have any questions about this lesson?
No, teacher.
Right. Then let's stop for today.
Good night, teacher. Thank you,
Yes.
teacher.
Thank you very much for joining the class today. Thank you. Goodbye. Good night.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Good night.
Is that Amaya? Nadira and Angida?
නෑ නෑ.
Okay.